Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera, nice little roof spoiler, some nice looking rims on this vehicle with the nice silver trim, blind spot detection. We do get remote start on this vehicle as well. License plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a nice powered liftgate on your key fob up there or button by the driver's side. Plenty of space in the back here. You got a hook for your cargo, 12 volt. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, with storage underneath with a spare tire. To close your liftgate, all you have to do, hit that button right there and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does heat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. And we do get some adjustable rear seats, so you can move them forward depending if you need more cargo space, and plenty of door space in the back. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, you got your lights, liftgate, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 40,981 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking under screen here, we got a digital speedometer, we have My View, trip and feel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, auto stop and start with drive modes, storage, and cup holders. More storage here with some outlets. You got your center console here as well with tons of more storage. Dual climate up front with heated front seats and steering wheel, storage below, hazards and media controls. Infotainment system with audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. We got your phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capable. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. And shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8286, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.